Find features that differentiate it from other brands for WQVOX Personal Portable Steam Sauna Tent. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Outdoor relaxation, traditional sauna designed for outdoor living spaces, providing a private retreat for heat therapy and relaxation in your backyard or patio area. Heat therapy benefits, delivers soothing dry heat that helps promote muscle relaxation, stress relief, and improved circulation after workouts or long days. Durable construction, built with weather-resistant materials designed to withstand outdoor elements while maintaining structural integrity and heat retention. Spacious interior, accommodates multiple users comfortably with bench seating and adequate headroom for a premium sauna experience. Easy operation, features user-friendly temperature controls and ventilation system for customizable heat levels and comfortable sessions. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.